How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veiny hands permanently, step-by-step tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. First exercise we're going to do is extensions, just like this. "30", perfect. Quick little break. Okay, we're going to go to curls. It's 20, keep going. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're going to go to this, moving our fingers back and forth, just like this. Perfect, quick little break. We're then going to go back to extensions. And again, it doesn't matter if you do your extensions like this or like this, same thing. Perfect. Okay, we're going to do a squeezing exercise. We're going to get our hands like this. We're going to squeeze really, really tight. I'm going to hold this position for 20 seconds. You have to be squeezing the entire time when doing this and holding this stretch. This is a great exercise for your hands. Not only do you have a curling motion, you also have a squeezing motion as well. So it combines two different types of exercises. Quick little break. Okay, we're going to go back to curls. And again, the best exercises, in my opinion, are the curls and the extensions. Those are the ones that are really, really good, in my opinion. Perfect. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.